Guys, I'm back at the same abandoned quarry that Chris was about 2 weeks ago. Supposed to get some thunderstorms in a couple hours, but looks good for now. I'm going to be using my Walmart dollar spinnerbait and hopefully get a little topwater. Oh, there's a flip over there on some on the live target sunfish I got here. Hopefully I'll do better than Chris. You can see it was kind of treacherous getting down here. Mud all over.
The water was so clear, if you actually look close enough here, you'll see a bunch of sunnies and a little bass in the water following up my lure. You can see everything.
Oh, we got a big ass carp right there. Damn, there's two big carp back there. Holy crap. There's a bunch of them. Oh, instantly got one as soon as it hit. On the spinnerbait. There's another one right behind it. Come here. Yeah. Post spawn for sure. Alright.
At this point, I just continued to hammer the edges with my spinnerbait. Didn't have any luck, so I switched up the topwater.
It's going into the cover. I got him though. Yeah. Topwater. A little bit bigger. I wasn't filming, unfortunately, but just had this little guy hit my sunny. Little guy. I'll keep filming this strip. Hopefully I'll get some more. Ended up with just 3 bass. 2 on the live target sunfish, and 1 on the spinnerbait. It's also good to see a shad of that size are in here. So, catch you next time.